Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the awesome looking room sweeper weapon in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start with the middle of the gun first. So we're just going to draw pretty much one big rectangle. It's going to be kind of long. So this is going to be right above the grip, and then from here we'll just divide this in half. And then up here we're going to draw two little brackets. And then we're just going to close it off, add a little bit of detail, and then there's a little handle right here, so we'll just kind of come down, just draw like a little box right here. Okay, and then let's move on. And so to draw the magazine right here, the drum, so here's the midpoint, just kind of come a little bit off to this side, and then we're just going to draw from here another rectangle, and then we'll add some details here. We'll just draw two lines. And then we'll add a little bit of detail here, just a little bit of box. And then right here, we need to draw in, just kind of give it a little bit of bump. So now let's draw the grip. So for the grip, we're gonna come on the back here, just come down straight. And then we're gonna come out this way. Just kind of come in, go back up. Okay, and then from here, we can just come across. And then right about here, just slant it up. Okay, and then from here we can draw in the little bracket here. Just draw a little angle and then just skip this line. Just follow this curve. And then we can draw the trigger. Alright, and so let's add some detail to this. Go straight back, slant up slightly, and then just go back. And then there's gonna be couple of big screws here. One more here. And then for the grip itself, there's a little bit of detail, so just come across and just go straight down. And for this one, we just kind of go all the way back. Add in a couple more screws and bolts. Okay, so let's draw the back first. Let's draw the stock. For the stock, we're gonna start here and we're just gonna come back. We'll give it a little bit of slant. And then on this one, we're gonna go slant up. Kind of come short a little bit, don't go all the way back. And then we're gonna slant it down. And then now we can just kind of close it off with a slight, almost vertical line. Then we're gonna extend this, just kind of come straight down. And then this one's easy, we're just gonna go back, come in slightly, and then close it off with a straight line. Okay, and there's a little bit of almost like a handle here, so just come down, close it, and then again, just kind of give this line some thickness, make it a little bit wider on this side. Okay, and then for the details, we can, from this point, we just connect to that point. And then we're gonna draw one line here, come across, and then slant it down. We'll add two big screws here. And then for some details on the back, we can continue this line, just kind of go back and slant it up into the stock. And we'll add a little bit of bump there. Okay, so it's a pretty cool looking gun. So now let's work on the front, the barrel. So we're gonna come, just kind of follow this line, just go straight out. Slant it down. And then this part, we're gonna slant it slightly down. It's almost like the opposite slant of this thing here. And then for the tip here, we're gonna go out, straight down. And then we just kind of slant it back up. Okay, and then for the actual barrel, the tip, just come out, and there's gonna be another slant. So a lot of strange angles in this gun. And then on the bottom here, we just add a little rectangle right here. And then for some details, we're gonna continue this line, just kind of go straight across. Gonna add 2 screws here. And then we just follow this, connect those 2 screws, and then just follow through with the line. And then there's gonna be some vents here, some holes, so we're just gonna draw 1 in the middle. And then we'll just draw 2 up here and 2 down here. So now let's draw the sight rail. Right here, just draw a little rectangle. And then over here on the front, we'll draw a slightly bigger one. Okay, and then we're gonna come up, and then we're just gonna go all the way back. So it's probably easier for me to draw it this way. So it's a straight line across, and then come down. And on this side, we're gonna come up, and then we're just gonna give this line some thickness. And then come back down here. All right, and then for the actual rail itself, just kind of come out a little bit more. And then we're just gonna go all the way across. And then we're gonna close it. Draw 2 lines there, and then for the sight here, draw a rectangle, and we can add 2 lines here. And then for the back here, we'll 2 little lines. And then here's the back part of the sight. This is a rectangle. And then we're gonna come up with an angle and just slant this one down. And then here's a little bracket, so it's just gonna be another rectangle, and we can add a little line right there. So on the rail itself, there's a bunch of little bumps, so we're just gonna draw in some little boxes up here, or rectangles, just all the way across. And that is it for this room sweeper weapon in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. It's definitely a very cool looking gun. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.